Here comes the transposition to D major. Play the passage with crescendo and diminuendo. And take the challenge to transpose to the key of F major. Enjoy your practice. Find this video useful? Try our full book and revolutionize your piano practice altogether. No more long hours of boring finger drill exercises, but just a carefully planned 10 minutes each day. How much more fun and effective your practice will be if you just try this book. Still not convinced? It's okay. Get your free worksheet first and see the improvement for yourself. Here is a practice video for you. Are you ready? Let's go!